The 4-day activation engine. High touch onboarding. You have done it. Someone just signed up for your $97 per month offer. You are excited. They are excited. But then nothing. No engagement, no login, no upgrade, no retention. The biggest reason most memberships fail is lack of activation. When someone buys, that's not the finish line. It is the starting line. And if they don't get results fast, then they will churn just as fast. So here is the opportunity. What if you could dramatically increase retention and lifetime value just by delivering a high touch onboarding experience in the first 4 days? Introducing the 4-day activation engine, a simple framework to help every new member feel guided, supported, and successful before they even think about canceling. And to help you implement this fast, you also get access to my plug and play 4-day challenge framework along with other tools to help you. Let's walk through how you can set up a powerful onboarding journey that delivers value, builds trust, and keeps your members coming back. Step 1 is understand the goal. Your goal is not just to welcome them. Your goal is to get them the results or momentum within 96 hours of joining, because results is equal to retention and momentum is equal to motivation. Step 2, structure the 4-day flow. Here is a simple breakdown you can copy. Day 1, welcome plus win. Send a welcome email plus text, which can be automated in GHL. Invite them to the community plus weekly call. Give them one fast win. Example, fill out their niche workbook or build their first automation. Bonus, include a video walkthrough or voice message from you. Day 2, mission clarity. Help them clarify their goal inside your system. Prompt them with a 2-minute task. Tell us your target audience in the group thread. Give them a quick win template or checklist. Day 3, implementation time. Host a live or recorded group Zoom session. Help them implement something inside their dashboard. Let them ask questions. This gives them face time and reinforces that they are not alone. Day 4, celebrate plus upsell. Send a progress check-in. Acknowledge anyone who has completed the tasks. Offer a bonus or upgrade path. Example, done for you service, DFY tech setup, or 1:1 coaching call. All of this can be automated and triggered inside Go High Level. Step 3, track, optimize, and repeat. Use Go High Level to trigger each message with delays. Use tags to segment active versus inactive users. Track webinar replays, onboarding form completions, and community engagement. Add automated reminders and touch points through SMS for better completion rates. The result? You go from low engagement members to activated clients who get value fast and stay longer. Here's the truth. Your webinar sells the dream, but your onboarding delivers the result. And that's what keeps clients paying, staying, and referring others. This 4-day activation engine is not just about retention, it's about relationships. So here is your next step. Download the 4-day activation planner PDF from the resources section along with access to important tools. Let's turn new signups into loyal, successful members starting on day 1.